If you want to know how to use the SkyTrain, I'll show you here on Travel Tricks. Before we get started, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel, as I hope to make your next vacation your best one. Vancouver's light rail is called the SkyTrain. I admit it isn't as price effective compared to other cities around the world, but it will help save money and for you to enjoy your vacation. And remember, whether you're a small or large family, when kids 12 and under are accompanied by a fare-paying adult passenger, they can ride for free. A maximum of 4 children can ride for free per paying adult. The SkyTrain does connect to the Vancouver airport, so you can start your journey right away. To begin, make sure you have either a Canadian debit card, cash handy on you, or you can use a credit card, and no, that doesn't have to be Canadian. In this demonstration, we will get a day pass. First, you choose on the first screen if you want a ticket or a compass card. For visitors using the SkyTrain several times in a day, the best price for your money is a day pass. This way, you have unlimited use of the SkyTrain, C-Bus and buses in all 3 paid zones, from 4 a.m. to the end of the service day. In this case, because the ticket is for one person, you would press Buy Single Ticket, and then under Adult, press Day Pass. At this point, you would either insert cash by coins or bills, or press debit card to pay by debit card, or credit card to pay by credit card. I will pay by dollar bills. Once it accepts the currency, you will be asked if you want a receipt. I will say no, and the machine will provide back your change and your new day pass. The day pass will be used to open the doors to get into the SkyTrain station. You wait on the platform, the train arrives, find a seat, and wait for your stop. Once you've arrived, use your card to leave the station, and enjoy your day in Vancouver. If you want to sail across Burrard Inlet from downtown Vancouver and explore Lonsdale Quay from the C-Bus, check out this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks. Thank you.